Well, so today we are going to discuss slicing strings. So we are actually discussing the strings, okay? And now we will discuss how we can slice our strings, right? So what is basically slicing? It means you can return a range of characters by using the slice syntax. A range of characters. For example, this is a word, and we can actually slice one, two, three characters from that word or from that syntax. I mean, the sentence. Okay,
Okay, but how?
but how? So we have to specify the start index and the end index. So from where we want to start the slicing and where we want to end the slice, and separated by a colon to return a part of the string. For example, here is a variable, and it's a string variable, and its value is hello world.
Hello world.
Hello, comma, space, word, and hyphen. I mean exclamation, right? And
Mhm.
we want to actually get some characters that start from position 2 and till 5, right? From
Okay.
from position 2 till to position 5. So so we will actually print this variable, print some character of this variable. So the value is this. So what is at point 2? What is at the position number 2? Which character from this string is at number 2?
Hello is one and world is two.
No, these are two actually words. We are not talking about the words. We are talking about the characters.
Oh, so it is a E.
So you said that E is at number 2.
Yes.
So what will be at number 5?
The It'll only remain each world.
No, so E is at number 2, you said. Then if this is number 2, then this is number 3, 4, 5. So these should be the characters actually from position 2 to position 5, right? So let's see if,
Yes, that's what I was saying.
yeah, so let's see if your guess is right. Oh no,
What?
what? So it says that the position 2 is L, right? So why
Yes.
this is L? Can you guess?
Why is this L to spell hello?
So why L is at position 2? Can you guess that? So it seems that L is at position 3, right?
Oh, I think so. It's because the first digit doesn't count. Oh,
Ye-
wait, I know.
Oh, okay, tell.
So their H is 0 and 1
Yes.
is E and O is 2.
Yes, you are right. So H is 0, E is 1, and then L is 2, and this is 3, and this is 4. And now in our output window, we can see that there is not character 5. Character 5 is not there. I mean, the comma is not there, right?
But it
So,
get rid of the rest.
so we need to start from 2, and we need to end before 5, right?
Before 5, yeah.
Yeah, so here it is. And even you can see that it is saying to position 5, and 5 is not included. Okay, so here you can see that 5 is comma and 5 is not included. So we need to actually start from 2, 3, 4 and stop. 5 is not included. And if we want to
So
include that
5
comma,
will get
if I want to include that comma, then instead of 5, I will write 6. So here you can see that this is 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 6 is not included. Okay. So the last one is not included. But this is actually the way how we actually work in Python. Okay. The first character
okay.
has index 0. Okay. The first character starts from 0. Okay. In this example, we sliced. In this example, we sliced the characters from 2 till 5, right? And the 5 is not included. But what if we have to change the values of our slice? For example, if we want to slice from the start, so how we can slice from the start? So here is the answer. We will not mention the starting value. So it will start from 0. Okay.
Yes.
So here is a variable name. Its name is B and its actually content is this hello, comma, space, world and exclamation. And then we want to print the B actually variable. But not all the values, but we want to say that, okay, start from 0 and go to 5. And again, 5 will not be included, okay?
So that means it's gonna leave only H.
Okay, so guess this is 0. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5 will not be included. And let's see.
Oh wait, it's going to be hello.
Yes. So it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the output.
Yes.
And what if I put it 3? So what will be the result?
It'll cut 3 words to he.
So 0, 1, 2, and 3 is not included. Okay.
So it's gonna be hell.
Yeah, HEL. And what if I put here 8?
It's just gonna type all the words.
Okay, can you count them?
Hello. Oh wait, it's going to be hello W.
Hello, WY.
Because
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 this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this space is also a character actually. And the 8
yes, I
is
knew it.
and the 8 is not included. So let's see if we are right. Okay, yes, it's true.
I got it correct.
And what if I write here 15?
It's just gonna print out all.
So how many characters are there? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 characters actually.
So it can't even fit.
Yes, so let's try what happens. So, okay.
Just like,
So it actually printed all the characters that were available. Okay.
yes.
Okay,
But what
then
about the two?
what about the?
Two? You typed 15.
Oh,
And what are the two?
yes. It actually actually it printed all the characters. There are 12 characters, so it printed the 12 characters. And yes, there is still space if there maybe maybe if there are some other characters, so it can print them till 15. Okay. So it can print it till 15. Right.
Like
This is
there.
this is the meaning of it. Okay, then here we actually sliced from the start. And what if we want to slice to the end? So in this
We just
way,
do it. It is the same thing, but at the other side.
yes, in this way, we need to actually tell it the starting point, and we will leave the end point, and it will actually calculate, it can determine that where is the end. So we are
It
starting
just got
from zero
longer.
and what from two. So what is two? This is zero, one, and now this is two. So starting from the two, and we are going to the end. So
So that is the result.
yeah, that is the result, and it is very much simple and similar. Okay,
Yes.
so here is interesting thing, negative indexing.
Okay.
So how we can actually play with it in with the negative indexes to start the slice from the end of the string. Okay, so here is the example from zero in the word, from O in the word. So this is the O. So what is the position of this O?
Negative 5?
Yeah, this is negative 5. Why? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is negative 5. Because it is negative, we need to calculate from end. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Huh? Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can count it to 5.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is minus 5. Okay. And
Yes.
but not included D in word position minus 2. So here we actually asked it to start from minus 5 and till minus 2. So it is going to start from minus 5 till 2.
So it's going to reveal all.
Yeah, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is going to start from O, right? And it
Yes.
will go till minus 2. So 1, 2. So it
E.
will exclude these two. So O, R, L. So these will be, so this is minus 5, this is minus 4, this is minus 3. So we are starting from minus 5 and we are going to minus 2. Okay,
Okay.
interesting.
Exercise.
So what will be the result of the following code? X is a variable and its value is welcome, and we need to print
It's the
from
last one.
3 to 5.
Is the last one. Go.
So this is 0, 1, 2, 3. So CO. O. Okay.
See?
This is the right answer. Okay. Then in our next uh, topic, we can even modify the strings. Modify strings mean changing the value. Okay.
Uh,
So Python has a set of built-in methods. Built-in mean Python already has those methods. Uh,
Okay.
Methods, you can alternatively use a word functions instead of the
Okay.
methods, right? So built-in methods or built-in functions that you can use on strings. Okay, what kind of those methods are there? Suppose we have a sentence like here. So H is capital letter and ELO are small letters, and then W is uppercase, right? So H is
Yes.
uppercase and W is uppercase, and all the other are actually lowercase. So I want to convert all these sentence into uppercase. So the method name is upper,
Okay.
and it will return the string in uppercase. So how we will do that? We will ask it simply. So this is a variable name. This is a variable name. A variable name dot, and this is the method. Okay.
That's the method.
Yeah. So here you can see that
It's
it
just
is
gonna
hello world,
yell. It's going to yell, "Hello world."
right?
Yes, it's true.
So you can actually, uh, so it means if you require all the uppercase, and here you have written the regular sentence that this is not necessary that you delete all this and again type in uppercase, no problem. Simply you can use the variable name, then a dot, and then upper. So this is a method, upper.
Wait, is it possible to also make it down?
Yes, this is also possible. So this is called lowercase, okay?
Ah, it's
And
called low.
its method name is lower.
Low.
So here you can see that the actually capital, the upper cases are also converted into lower cases.
Lower.
And then here is another interesting thing that you can remove white spaces. So what are the white spaces? Okay. White spaces are actually spaces sometime at the end of the sentence. For example, this one.
Okay.
You can see that here is a space. Okay. So white
Okay.
space is the space before and or after the actual text. So here is also a white space here. And very often you want to remove this space. Okay. So the method is strip method removes any white spaces from beginning or the end. So here we go. So you can see that if we do not use this strip, if I delete it, if I
Delete it.
delete it, and then what will it do?
Nothing.
So
We
here
removed a little.
you can see that here is a single white space.
Yes, it moved a little.
And here is also a actually white space, but this is not a white space. It will remove white space from beginning and from at the end,
And
not in between. So
okay. And I
that's
also
why,
have a question.
so if we place this strip method here, then it will remove the starting and ending white spaces. Now what is your question?
My question is that what if you print the value again? Will there still be the space or will be remain the same as before?
Print it again means,
Can you reprint the value like print A and then run it and then there will be two hello world but each one can have a space or not?
yes, each one will have space. How many times, even if you print it, right?
So if I get rid of that, so I need to put that in every line?
Yes, whenever you need to remove this white space, you can use strip, right? So suppose if there are many spaces, for example, in this case, and
But it's gonna remove one.
yeah, no, it will remove all the spaces.
Really?
Yes, here you can
Oh,
see. Okay.
okay.
Okay, then we can even replace the string, some keywords with other keywords. Okay. So for example, if you want to replace hello with some other word or word with some other word, okay, so this is possible. Or even if you want to replace the H or the O or the word W with any other word. For example, in this example, it is going to replace H with J. So here is the H. It will replace this H with J.
So it's gonna become Jello
Yeah,
world.
yes, it is yellow word.
Wait, but if that's possible, that means it's possible to split it.
So if I even put multiple characters, it can also work.
But you only changed one word. Hello and mellow.
Yeah,
That's just one word.
you can even replace all the actually string, and you can write a new string
Wait, I
here.
can replace the whole thing?
Yes, you can replace the whole thing. Do try it by yourself, okay?
Okay.
And then we can even split the string. So what is a split? Split method returns a list where the text between the specified separator becomes the list items. So we have a string and we want to split it and we want to make it two strings, right?
Yes.
For example, here is a string and we want to split it into two strings. So hello in another, hello in a separate string and word in a separate string. So how I will do that? I will use the split method and I will ask it to, okay, find the comma and then split the string, the left part and the right part. So it will make two strings. One is hello and one is word. So let's try it. So here you can see that this is the hello world. So, so here is the comma, okay?
Okay.
So it will actually find that comma and it will make this string and it will make this string.
Which is world?
So here you can see that it has separated 1 and 2. Okay,
Oh,
now it has actually placed this bracket. So this bracket shows that this is we have split it. Okay,
okay.
the rest is same. Okay,
Okay.
so what is the answer of this? What is a
The
correct
first one.
syntax to print a string in uppercase letter?
It's the first one.
This one.
Yes,
Okay.
that was easy.
Yes, that was it. Okay. So let's see what's in our next topic. It's string concatenation. String concatenation. So what is the concatenation? Means to combine. So previously we actually we split a string into two strings. So if we have two strings, we can make it one. Okay, so this is concatenation, means combine.
Okay.
Combine two strings, you want to use the plus operator. Okay,
Okay.
here is means we can merge variable A with the variable B into variable C.
See.
So here is a variable A and its value is hello,
Hello.
and variable B, its value is world, and variable C, we want to combine A and B. So if
Okay.
we print C, so C includes hello and world. Okay.
Okay.
So let's see. Okay, this is great. But you can see that there is no space between those because it has actually combined, it has merged these two.
Okay, but I have a question.
Yes.
Why is the camera so far?
Why it is?
Why is it so far? I can't see your screen properly. It is far away.
My screen is shared. Can you see my shared screen?
Yes, but it went like
Like,
back. It went back.
no, can you see that I am moving my screen here and here and here?
Yes, I can, but I
Okay.
need to zoom in to see properly.
Uh, no, I have already zoomed my screen. Minimize or maximize the no. Are you using laptop?
Yes,
Okay, so can you see this code
yes.
and can
I
you
need
see
to
this
zoom in.
output?
I need to
Oh,
zoom in to see. Yes.
okay, I think there is some problem at your side, but don't worry. You can understand that we have actually
Got rid of the space.
merged the A and B variables into C. Okay, and we and at last we have printed the C. So this is our result. But I was actually discussing that there is no space between hello and world.
Yes,
Okay,
that's true.
it has merged these two, but there is no space. So
Mhm.
can we solve this problem?
Yes, by adding a space.
Yes, by let's try if I add a space after hello here. Okay,
It'll make an error.
here. Okay, let's try.
It'll make an error. Ah,
So here is the space. Okay, we you
okay.
can add space at end of the hello or you can space at start of the W.
But now it's going to be way farther.
Yeah, so there are two spaces. So this is one way, okay? This is one way of adding spaces. And there is another way, and then other way is instead of just actually writing A plus B, we will use A plus a space plus B. So we can actually put a space, right?
Without even adding them by ourselves.
Yes. So here is the result. We can actually put a space here. I mean, this is again a string. This is a white space. We can actually add a white space here. Okay, and here is what is a correct syntax to merge variable x and y into a variable z,
The last one.
the last. Okay, then end of today's class. It was
And the
interesting.
next class will start at Monday.
Well, can you take class tomorrow?
Yes, I can, but why?
Because we have not actually taken class yesterday and the day after, before yesterday.
Oh yeah, the first one it's because my meeting wasn't working, and the other one